These two, they've always been two peas in a pod. They've tackled every choice in life together, except one. This is the know-it-all. You know what they say, less is more. His uncle does the same thing. Keeps the mileage low. No breakdowns, no repairs. This is his kind of warranty. We've all heard it. Slow and steady wins the race. Now he really has to ask for a ride, though. You know, with all this trouble, just get a Hyundai. Hyundai Warranty. Affordable coverage, no compromises needed.